Microsoft Project 2010. So what am I going to be able to do at the end of this course? What am I going to get out of it? Hopefully quite a lot. We'll be able to help you implement your dreams. Take what might just be at the minute an idea in your head for a plan, help you produce that plan and turn that plan into a real item, possibly a massive bridge, possibly just an extension, who knows. The course will help you organize your tasks to help you create a project file, enter your tasks in the correct method using the correct durations and the correct annotation, arrange those tasks into logical sections or phases of your project, build all of your task dependencies so that you know what tasks are dependent on what must be done before what else, and you'll end up with your Gantt chart as we can see there. But that's not all we're going to be able to help you do. We'll help you manage the resources for your project. We'll discuss all the resource types that are available in Microsoft Project, look at adding the costs in, looking at controlling the availability of all those resources through the use of calendars, look at assigning the resources as you go against each of the tasks that you've already entered into your Microsoft Project, look at how to calculate the costs, and there we have the team planner, so you can see your resources down the left and what tasks they are due to carry out at what stage of the project. Once your project is created, saved, ready to go, we can track the progress of the project by updating the task progression as you go. Is the job complete? Is it halfway done? We can monitor that progression against the original baseline to see how far off you are against your original plan. You can reschedule tasks to help regain that baseline. Look at resolving any over allocation of resources where a resource might be carrying out 2 jobs at one time, and all this will help you reach your dream. And there we have a view of a project in progression with a measurement against where you should be, i.e. against the baseline. Having the ability to create your project, build the plan, work to the plan, there are also many reporting tools that come with Microsoft Project 2010. You can print out a number of different Gantt charts that show different views. There are built-in project reports that allow you to report at various stages of the project. There are also the ability to export data into Visio and Excel reports and create your own Visio and Excel reports to export the data into, and a sample there of a cash flow report which is built in Excel from the data exported from Microsoft Project. If you are looking to control a number of projects at one time, we can use Microsoft Project to carry out program management. This will allow you to manage multiple projects at the same time, possibly take advantage of resource pools. Resource pools are a number of resources that are shared between different projects. We will be able to link projects together, so a project will be dependent on another project or another part of a project coming to completion, and a sample there of 2 projects being looked at from a program management point of view. We'll also be looking at how to customize the Gantt charts so they reflect your scheme or your corporate scheme. We can look at how you can vary from the default, add in your own bars that mean your own thing, look at how to create dynamic bars that will change based on various values within your project. Look at even adding in your own fields. You'll find that there are a massive amount of fields already in Microsoft Project, but they might not fulfill your needs, so you can add in your own fields. And you can even draw your own shapes onto the Gantt chart to help improve the presentation. And last of all, we'll be looking at macros, so how to automate tasks within Microsoft Project 2010. And there's a customized Gantt chart using various colors dependent on triggers. So at the end of this course, I am sure that you'll be able to say, I will be able to do this. You will be able to project plan and create projects from scratch. You'll be able to use your project files for monitoring your projects. You'll be able to edit any of the projects that you have on the go and report against each of those projects. You'll be able to customize projects within the Gantt charts themselves or adding your own data columns.